Namaskar, welcome to the Common Times Business Updates. Fighting against COVID-19 pandemic, the MCL has intensified sanitization operations in its residential colonies and peripheral villages in coalfields of Odisha. All mining areas of MCL spread over in Angul, Jharsuguda and Sundargarh districts of the state have launched sanitization operations in office premises as well as peripheral villages. Besides manual sanitization in the townships and peripheral areas, company has pressed into service fog cannons, fire tenders and even tractor-mounted tanker with pumps to sanitize townships and peripheral settlements. With an internal task force headed by General Manager level officer and round-the-clock helplines at corporate office and both Ib Valley and Talcher coalfields, MCL is diligently extending support to the local administration in fight against coronavirus. Coal India subsidiary has already distributed 29,000 masks to its employees and contractors workers engaged in coal mine, while 90,000 are in the process of procurement for further distribution. Company has also distributed sanitizers among its workforce. Reaffirming its commitment to the peripheral settlements around its operational areas, MCL is distributing with CSR 3,73,622 masks along with 19,600 sanitizer bottles to the peripheral people and COVID warriors of nearby areas. Company is providing health and food kit combos to 600 landless people and stranded migrant families of Jujmura, Sambalpur, Chendipada, Angul, Lepripada, Sundargarh and Lakhanpur, Jharsuguda blocks through its ongoing Utthan project of community development being implemented by BAIF. MCL has funded the operationalization of 500-bedded dedicated COVID hospital Bhubaneswar being managed by Some Hospital. Besides, company is providing logistic and infrastructural assistance in establishing a 150-bedded dedicated COVID hospital at Talcher by providing its newly built medical college cum hospital infrastructure to be used for this purpose. This hospital will be jointly managed by Some Hospital and District Hospital Angul with logistic assistance by MCL. In addition, company has set up dedicated 56 COVID beds in its mining command areas in Jharsuguda and Sundargarh district. Company has also made arrangement ready for 90 beds at Sambalpur. With this, the company has contributed in setting up 750 beds for dedicated COVID hospitals, 58 beds for dedicated COVID health centers, and 90 beds for COVID care center. At MCL's 4 hospitals, that is NSCH Talcher, Lakhanpur Area Hospital, Central Hospital Ib Valley and Vasundhara Hospital, a total of 170 oxygen cylinders have been arranged along with 42 PPEs, 6,166 masks and sufficient sanitizers for use of medical staff. To beat the heat wave and fight COVID-19, MCL has provided towels to all its employees and contractor workers engaged in coal mining operation. MCL has implemented work from home for employees posted at company or area headquarters which are running with bare minimal skeletal staff on rotation. However, around 16,000 employees and more than 11,000 contractor workers led by around 780 officers of company are running 15 coal mines in the state. Bureau Report, Julfikar Hussain, The Common Times, Angul.